Hello friends, in my previous tutorial I showed you how to create characters with Midjourney. In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a book cover for an illustration book in Midjourney. So I'm going to take this image and copy image and bring it back into Photoshop. Paste. I'm going to rescale it a bit. Now I'm going to use a black background and just isolate this character. Now go back to Midjourney, start a new prompt. And I'm going to make a background for the illustration book. So I'm going to say illustration book style, watercolor, middle road or something like that with a path through the forest. Basically, I ended up generating this image. So I'm going to copy it into Photoshop behind my character, move my character to make it seem like it's running on a path, decrease saturation of the background to bring the character forward. Now in Illustrator, I'm going to type the title of my book in big bold letters. So I'm going to select this font and I'm going to give it some kind of a generic title. Of course, this is just an example. Now select the font and press Ctrl-Shift-O. Ctrl-Shift-O will turn your text into a vector. Now go to Object, go to Envelope Distort and select Make with Warp. This is going to add an arc to the text, making it look more interesting. You can use other warp effects if you want. Now let's go back to Photoshop. Just paste that image you just created. You don't even need to save it as a file. Paste it into Photoshop, invert colors, cut it out like it's a header, place it on top of the book, change the colors to anything you want. And once you publish this, you can put the barcode. Now I'm going to change the header color once again, and that looks good to me. Okay guys, and that's pretty much the workflow for creating characters for your illustration book and making a book cover and inserting your character into different environments.